It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into silver. Silver surged to $62.81 per troy ounce, a move of plus 3.58% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $61.38 and $63.35. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that safe havens aren't behaving like they used to. Here's what's changed. The gold move is partly driven by Williams' cost fundamentals underpin long-term energy infrastructure story. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by U.S. job creation calls in June with payrolls growth of just 57,000, unemployment rate at 4.2%. This comes as stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East, adding pressure to energy markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Meanwhile, Brent crude ticked up plus 0.46% to $72.13. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices fall after Trump says US-Iran talks in Qatar are going well. Meanwhile, WTI crude is little changed, hovering near $68.78. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices fall after Trump says US-Iran talks in Qatar are going well. Meanwhile, natural gas climbed plus 1.53% to $3.25. This comes as stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to silver. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on silver. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for silver sits around $66.58. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our deep dive on silver. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.